Guide to creating and configuring a network security group in Azure. This guide will help you create and configure a network security group, NSG, in Azure. Associate it with a subnet and verify the configuration. Follow these steps carefully to complete the lab. Step 1. Search for network security groups. 1. Open Azure portal. Log into the Azure portal. 2. Search for NSG. In the search bar at the top, type Network Security Groups and select it from the search results. Step 2. Create a new network security group. 1. Click Create. Once in the Network Security Group section, click the Create button. 2. Select Resource Group. From the Resource Group drop-down menu, select ProdRG, the resource group for this lab. 3. Name the NSG. Enter NSG app in the name field. 4. Review and create. Click Review Create to review the settings. Confirm the settings and click Create to deploy the NSG. Once the deployment is complete, click Go to Resource to open the newly created NSG. Step 3. Configure inbound security rules. 1. Navigate to Inbound Security Rules. 5. Access the resource. Once the deployment is complete, click Go to Resource to open the newly created NSG. Step 3. Configure Inbound Security Rules. 1. Navigate to Inbound Security Rules. In the NSG overview, click on Inbound Security Rules. 2. Add a new rule. Click the Add button to configure a new inbound security rule. 3. Set rule parameters. Source. From the drop-down, select Any to apply to all incoming traffic. Destination. Select Any to allow traffic to any resource in the subnet. Service. Select HTTP to allow only HTTP traffic. 4. Add rule. Click the Add button to save the inbound security rule. Step 4. Associate NSG with a subnet. 1. Navigate to Subnets. In the NSG overview, click Subnets. 2. Associate subnet. Click Associate to link the NSG with a subnet. 3. Select Virtual Network. From the Virtual Network dropdown, select VNet App. 4. Select Subnet. From the Subnet dropdown, select App Subnet. 5. Confirm. Click OK to complete the association. Step 5. Verify the setup. 1. Return to Home. Click Home to return to the Azure portal homepage. 2. View Virtual Network. Click on VNet App to view the virtual network. Select Subnets to view all subnets associated with the virtual network. 3. Confirm NSG association. Open the app subnet and scroll down to verify that the NSG app is listed in the subnet details. Step 6. 1. Go to NSG Overview. Return to the NSG app overview page to confirm the configuration. 2. Access lab resources. Use the resources folder provided in the lecture to access and complete the lab exercises. Summary. By following these steps, you've successfully created and configured a network security group, associated it with a subnet, and verified its setup. This process ensures secure communication within your Azure Virtual Network while allowing specified inbound traffic like HTTP. Now it's your turn. Access the lab and try it hands-on. To